Hey there, I'm Natasha Antonioni with Austin Life, where we cover real estate, design, and how to live and manifest your best life. Today, we are talking about real estate. Have you heard about the Silver Tsunami, or AKA Boomergeddon? It's not a weather event, but it is a change in the real estate market. So the idea is that these boomers over the next decade are either going to downsize or go to a better place, and there's going to be this massive flood of inventory on the market. So the media is kind of going bananas with this. It's definitely bringing about a bunch of fear, and the idea is that there's going to be so much inventory so that house that you think about selling one day on Zillow says it's worth 1.6 now. Now imagine if there's 200 right around your local area. It's going to bring the cost of the value down. So let's dive into that. Is that fact or fiction? Some analysts are saying that we're about to have, over the next 10 years, about 9 million houses come on the market. Now really, let's just break that down a little bit, because sensationalism is what sells stories. So we always want to kind of pull it apart, right? So if there are 9 million boomers, right? And half of them are sharing a house. So one person passes, who are they going to leave that house to? So sometimes it'll get sold, sure, but it actually takes 4 deaths to equal to 1 sale of a house. Why is that? Well, if I have a partner and I pass away, who's gonna keep the house? My partner, right? So the partner keeps the house, and then maybe the partner chooses to leave it as a legacy property to their family. So we need multiple deaths to happen here for that one house to be released into the inventory that we so desperately need nationwide. So let's talk about these shifts in the housing market. Now, if we look at the boomers who were maybe paying $200,000 for their house, now their house is worth 1.6 and it's already paid off. So there's no real need to get into the market. Now, if they sell that house, they have to pay taxes on that house. So when they start to weigh all of these options, it's like, it might make more sense and help improve the lives of my children if I keep this house, turn it into a legacy property that I can pass along, or turn it into an income generating property, or turn it into a second home that my family can enjoy. So the landscape in real estate has changed so much compared to back then when they were buying. It's really hard for Gen Z and Millennials to get into the marketplace right now because of the cost of these homes. Now, there may be regions where there is more activity happening. So the boomers may downsize into, let's say, Texas, Arizona, Florida. There's tax benefits there for them, as well as warmer weather, which is good on aging bones, right? And so they can also get smaller properties with all the amenities that their age group needs. So there could be actually even more demand needed in those particular areas. So what are the implications and the solutions here? Basically, we need more homes. That's the bottom line. Despite the anticipated wave of listings, we will still need more homes to accommodate the boomers that do downsize and the younger families that are trying to get into the marketplace. Home builders and the government can collaborate, where the government is offering $10,000 to first-time home buyers in tax benefits, as well as people who are selling their first-time home. So that is a really good solution because it puts a little bit more movement back in the real estate market. So what's the future outlook here? So basically, we need to stay informed and stay on top of these things, because as we know, as we saw with COVID, things can change on a dime. So staying abreast of the market and really peeling those articles apart and asking good questions. Is this real? Is there another possibility here? Because the sensationalism will suck you in and cause a lot of fear. That's the number one question in my opinion. Is this article causing me fear, and who benefits from that fear? So once you ask that question, start really looking into it and diving into it from multiple angles and news sources that are neutral and not there to be one side or the other. Basically, let's focus on creating new development and building homes for young families and for people that are looking to downsize into smaller homes. We need more homes in this country. Well, if you like this content, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe below, because we have content coming out all the time. And hey, if there's a topic you want me to cover, let me know in the comments. We'll see you soon. Bye.